Name of our Osha Sika, I did Mama Part for 15 years now. I 1,000 Ghana cedis. We are complaining, no. Baku there 500. Baku there 500. It's a prison 15 years. The Sika woman got 1,000. 1,000 Ghana cedis. And I did Mama Part for 15 years. I don't know.
I quite say, yeah. Court to us, Mammy Agradaa. Yeah, well, my dinner court. Ebuanu for edna kotum enfie junumono wo mo etwa enfie edu 14 years e dia che no sa ama beba first on you court ma mo fa court ma mra first o ma ache no enfie edu 9 free aka 1 year bi won don twa 1 year bi so na won ko betre fie kura free won ko ye do beye bi won bes no ko ye do beye o medan ba bi kura nwene no ho eh ana mo amoshe GTV na ana wo si form do ani Facebook for enu ebebe fie de ne say why
o fe
wa wo ka bia wan kan ye onyawo a
wo fanso ahwe a obe shock ye nyina o
shock adia shock no wo be sesa
wan hwe ya obe shock obi a
lawyer ba
man to shock be free. Sanse me to court dem wa na me tie appeal judgment no of a memo media man to shock cry man to shock
and say wo court wa dia na wo de man bi wa na yakata nanim na ene dia say yayi nanim na wa veil bia ni nanim na sen wo no so o so mu na court dan no for so wo say na court no nyina so me entie hori nyina prako
ofa ni nyina ene say mama part onim say July bosom ne dey to so me ensa mfimpi mienu eni adonunum July 3, 2025 and a circuit court or 10 presided over by her Hannah Evelyn Asamoah sentenced mama part to 15 years imprisonment in hard labor. Now sentencing on 2 grounds. Count defrauding by false pretense. Second, defrauding by false pretense. And a charlatanic advertisement and or fine the own Jessica. Now I know and a mama party in the form you know pepe on a lawyer for the baby. What's in the choir or fast so I can't say opinion defense after the prosecution a close on case no and no and nam emra kwanso and as a court in 8 years. A bill. Grounds number 2 or said if you should do no man court and edema na no what den toto obeka say it was too harsh. The third one and say or the court no was biased towards on one kasa and a lawyer for is and say the evidence and all that the actual court and say do baby mpa court no ma lawyer for ne kwan mo kasa na so ten and a lawyer for na so even a lawyer for no thing and no any no friend bias no and na chat to cry and say in finchia makomaku edunum no ano odent in court no entwamu kra ontwamu so a onte so emfa ema no na no e na oji kan file appeal no obaye no o file bill pending appeal and a court high court na ka chen say there be that bill no dey main grant into court no refuse here into a party appeal no of appeal o kwa ye mfa dance fo wom into ne see wo circuit court na o dey nkasa ni nyina every high court na say on hwehwem na ono so hwe say enfomso na wabobo so makomako enan sanfomso no eyampa se esiya
appeal yan dance fo bi o
fa mpacho wada ma brabie
na me sese na me tie free ho say appeal no yan dance fo bi o
Baby of a young dance for be more. It's in your see ye a circuit court no. Ya training in a gun crass as some crassano and I transmit if you circuit court near the aba. Into dance for na your friend or circuit court and no in corona on the boy cross examination and no pay young dance for say after near of a quadro and so you're dancing in Jaffy near the neighbor Debbie. A just exceptional circumstances be any bit near say a better circuit court air casemo. Not that dance we yaye. Near himself, but near yay, I feel yanya. The extra court and say, at the kind of dance ya one, a no kind of a bro for Casa, your friend exceptional circumstances and a court the best permit the more say young fat dance here from account and yes idea of a pillar that na I mean why that na ukobo I was circuit court fra dance for air duty evidence no dance no and only a pager and no croffer yeah farm accused person another complainant court na register no and the pager and class and so on deche now or the high court another court of appeal another supreme court it's a friend transmission you transmit that document from the lower court to the higher court there no any bra 70 pm or high court almost fear say of a way and pen bear me and son as naya maybe as we achieve aba amasaman now the nature to cry by 21st January and a court ne say or the assembly shene offer a bra for Solomon upon chum and then already the judgment or sure say or the kind of firm offer the executive court explaining mama part guilty in court no affirm me charlatanic advertisement court nite ani prosecution was able to prove beyond reasonable doubt into the court ne finding the guilty and not sentencing and no defrauding by false pretense or say the prosecution was able to prove beyond reasonable doubt into the court no finding the guilty and not sentencing and no the second one defrauding by false pretense or say and the court ni prove beyond reasonable doubt and it's or affirm me nini na or affirm me the only thing of assessor I'm 15 years na assessor and self court ni nyansem or say ane and some of the mama party in the prosecution ni Jumani excellent ane mama party the na social media I can say or the Jessica or so share and crack na 1 billion $1 and I say yesterday and some of kind of ma and crofo ban sorry that very day court ni say na mama fa o hwe sika e de mama party kwa afia 15 years na e 1000 Ghana cedis we are complainant no ba ko dey 500 ba ko dey 500 it's prison 15 years ni sika e woman kata e 1000 Ghana cedis and de mama party kwa afia se e no te mo afọ ni say yen fantu nse ni ani sentence no e hope e no problem because of her or say so obi akọ sika or cite case bi e wo high court sansoma or say then the power will sika aban sika 1 billion Ghana cedis or the more for any sentence then time no man 8 years obi to Korea fridge you can't have fridge in the bomb now it was about 8,000 Ghana cedis or no dear the man 12 years or say mama party sika no or the two senior of the case as I say my judgment balanced ni ode na asem coin na so nya mfaso e na ne ono so ya twe na so no so e sa so twe no so enya mfaso na emom ohu ni say anu oden dodo anu ohye eninti e fi the very down mama part ya sentence no odi kan hye mama part say that 1000 na yesu so gc nkrofo mienu ne ho no ontua 500 Ghana emfama tenipa mienu obi asika watua man afi court ni say emfinhia edunum no court this one sign anti na fuad aduanan mienu bi a wode mu no court na anti afim eninti ohwa minimum or the court ni minimum demom ninu yaketo na or what take court ne ka say defrauding by false pretense minimum 5 years to 25 years or say count no minimum enim minimum 1 day to 25 years which is maximum and on them or man 15 years 15 years no if that day no or no je osusu say mama part sentence no yampa na no shedodo na ye too harsh eninti or man 12 calendar month of I cut 12 calendar month yes 1 year genti be free also ko prison I say prison for calendar no one to be free man ko beka 8 months 1 year bi an ko beka 8 months entinka enete pepe 8 months dey na ka mama part coffee calendar pepe and what you court me say on 200 penalty unit of a penalty unit ba ku bia no 12 cities into 2,400 otuawia when court me say when 2,400 now or better the fiase go so many answer court ni wie ni san and I say Matthew 25 26 e dia mama part na Niente o quote ni say. Of my mention quotation ni ye.
Na judge no judge no was so for ho.
Of another for so your Roman ni mapa. Or your Roman ni mapa or so your Roman ni mapa. What Jesus Christo. Ewu ene ne so de nyina edi. Enti so bi be kwakwatena baabi. Na waka ne nim say osofo bi na hye nkom last year say mama party be pie no. Wo se sa ansem no wono wonyi ni. Enye osofo bia ene ka bibi ema ebe mu say de obi be kwakwatena baabi aka eni nti o say ye de wo kọ wo ye bone ne ye de wo kọ pani anim a o say be ye ya pachew na animanim ya na sere enye sa na wansera o say ye be chew ye do be ma police so edo ebe court so be chew aso edo akọ prison na o ka kire mama part say anka ne esi ye nyina wo hwe elotu a ta sikai ede ma enipa mienu ya anka fa nu ba bi edu quotation ne Matthew 5:25-26.
So what be ho?
Matthew 5 25 26. Ama
anama ayi wo dey say boy wa be bia wa di ka bia so for us wa di ka bia mama no koi
Matthew 5
ama sisuma se wa na wan kan no ha me yentie
Ofa Matthew 5:25-26. Matthew atempati num tiche madronu num kwesi adronu nsia.
Se wa ma no koi.
And you media na brofo.
Ma no koi.
Or say agree with thine adversary quickly. While King James, thou art in the way with him. Lest at any time the adversary deliver thee to the judge, and the judge deliver thee to the officer, and thou be cast into prison. Verily I say unto thee, thou shalt by no means come out thence till thou hast paid the ultimate farthing.
So I transferred thee to court him ama brako ampofo ama
Ofa no that masom. Ofa nti de not more for Solomon upon two. Kenyina ni se mama part Matthew 5:25-26. Anka se me si ya 1000 the mama part ubetimi abutia ma abroso anka kwa frefre wom na tie se sikai anka ya fo nkoma police ama police and for court ama court nso entie wa asema antwe wa so ama onko di 15 years e wa fiase na emom ye o kanyina ne se mama part wa so e di ama no so calendar man pepe oncha otwa a oncha 1000 no emfa ma nipa mienu na omo ne kwadu na fe oncha 2400. Opa te mo for ni we no say December bosome no ote last year yekodi bronya e no te sa so for bi hye nkom e keka se mama party nyame yi a kire o mo se e dan yo bepi o se o ka kire so for ni se mo bi anje ne fans mfa o ba so for bi anje fans bi amfa na nyame anka bi anje so for bia wo se wonu nyame anka anje ne so nyai mama party and also for Bian so and preaching is on mama part. Into a person so for Bian Wakojina baby Asha and come say, and I tell me mama part, a big giant, was you or no, or your Roman Nimapa. Into so for Bia obey, and I mean, I'm saying, come Kaisa mama part, a big giant, or say a tro. Or so for Bia a tro, or Casa, we are tro for, Namin Kashi. Nemum, ya what's last of one is say. A Jumana Moyano, one we say, there's some back water, no, so can't want them. I want a pocket so. And then Yamia Yacham say a big out, and then Yamia Yacham say, what this idea now, Moyan, and not much him with Jano, and we, it's on the court. So what can one man, and then Yamia Yacham Yamacha, after you could look to them, now you convict you, Nippon so far. After that, Papa, say, so for Nedia, and now say, Yabaka say, oh, and not a more for the crowd, and what was baby, was it, the Diasa anyway, one night, and what she and not say, or send some trouble for a Jumana Yayan. One year na Juman, ya Mahama Bodawuru Ama will be and Tibia, and Antony NC and Quabonti will be anti. Lemon, 10 years see one a quarter damn war, then Crophobico Caswasam was Strepa, Yan Tree, na Ubia, and yesterday, Senator. And so far, Mama Pat, a jabo, yet a teacher mudia. So far, a cat was some Maku and 9 times that were chat. A year was so many and what tree.
Yes, I bet you were free 12 noon.
Yet I offer yet 3 and what channel and the 12 in Nimudia. That's offer the Akano. If I say Bosome Bear and 9 ɛna aka mama pata ɔkɔ no sɛ na me kunu asiama anɔpɛ wohwɛ sɛ deɛ me bedui na asiama te court dem ɔno na ɔhu sɛ wahyɛ black colored kakra mama pata de ne uniform a ɛne white and black na wɔde ba ɔte court dem ɛne ɔfa at a point ama me ne isu
yo ama adwuma that's it kwato hema ama brako ampofo obi da begu Facebook because onya court case obefa mama aba lawyer dama etu se wa me de kwa nyina no minim se 1 year no me mabua kwa akosi ene de ti se na ye fifo ho etu minim se wo be fie February 2027
o ka se de one na ka ho ne
se
David ye watwa ni nyina ye tie frem
ene sasa
ye tie frem nti aka 8 months aka 4 months ye tie frem Wafa na wafa
na said the idea
wafa Facebook for no na akwasi ye bo e kan wo se Ghana de agi se duabo na agi se duabo na anya sa de a ene ye nkwa yi ye nyu be
ba me tu e fura pe kuna to asuba ye de